Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's for Living here. Thanks for watching my videos, and it's time for vlogmas number 9. It's Monday, December the 23rd of 2019. Okay, so in this video I want to talk about what I'm going to be taking and giving my family on my coupon stockpile. And so I'll show you some of that stuff. I haven't totally decided yet, so it just depends on what's going to go in the box. Plus, I already gave them stuff at Thanksgiving. Some of the people came Thanksgiving. So, anyway, so I'm going to show you that. And then, I got this tray. Now, I know it's a beach theme and not Christmassy, but that's all right. And everybody's going to deal with it. I got some parchment paper. I haven't decided if I'm going to lay a piece of parchment paper down and cover up that, but I might or might not. Anyways, so, and I got my little dishes out because I'm going to be making like a charcuterie tray, or if that's how you say it, it's a French word, or like a crudité platter kind of a thing, with a variety of things on it. And you know, really, I think you can put whatever you want on it. I don't even need a fancy term. I'm just making a cheese, meat, and veggie tray, and that's really really what I'm doing. That's an appetizer, just like a, you know, walk by snacky thing, to have out at the party. Okay, so I got this big tray, and we'll just be piling things in there. And hopefully, I'm going to try and film making it somewhat if I can. I don't know, because I can't put it together until I get there. And but I'm going to show you what I'm going to put on here. But I got a variety of my little dishes out because I'll have some of those sitting in here. Not everything will go in that. A lot of the stuff will just be piled around in the tray, and then some of the things will have to go in these. And I got these little appetizer forks to use on this if we need that. So let's go look at the food that I have to put on here. All right, so I got a whole lot of stuff, and I'm just going to be, you know, just pile it on that tray. Some of the things will go into little dishes, like I said. Like, I got mustards. I got 2 different kinds of mustard, and I got some red plum jam that I'm going to take. And then, like, those will have to go in those little containers, and these capers. And I've got these are like some pickled peppers that'll probably go in one of that. But I got some pepperoncinis. I got some pickles. I'm surprised that I don't know why I didn't have more pickles. I don't know what's up with that, but I have a lot of olives. I don't know, I was thinking olives, but everybody in my family loves to eat olives, so I got a big variety of olives. I got a whole bunch of crackers because I bought them at like 3 different discount stores I went to, and I guess I kind of forgot how many I bought, so I don't know which crackers I'm going to use. I'm just going to take them all. And I got a couple of kinds of almonds that I'll put on there. This is some boneless herring fillets, kippered, it says. Okay, anyways, I don't know if anybody's going to eat this, but I'm going to open it up and I'm going to put it on there. I've got some thin sliced ham that I'm going to put on there. I bought a summer sausage and I sliced it up, so I have that ready to go. I bought a couple of blocks of cheese, so I got like a pepper jack and a Colby Jack cheese, and I cubed up some of it, and then some of it I made into little rectangles, so, you know, lay on the crackers if people want to eat it that way. I got a hummus, new thing for me to try. Okay, goat cheese. I like goat cheese, so we'll put that out. I got, oh, those are cherry tomatoes. I've got some blueberries. I'm going to peel these oranges and just have the orange slices on there. And I got this spinach and artichoke cheese dip. You just eat it cold, and I have one of these, a different flavor, and I liked it, so I decided to get this and try this. Now I made some dip, veggie dip, and so this is like a 16-ounce container of sour cream with about a cup of mayonnaise in there. And then I actually used a Knorr recipe packet. You know, it's like a veggie dip thing. Lipton makes them, you know, you can find those kind of things. Anyways, I just used that, but, you know, back at Thanksgiving I made one, and I just did, you know, whatever, you know, well, it wasn't even Thanksgiving, it was at a birthday party, you know, just some seasoning mix. You can just, you know, whatever you like, and just mix it up, and there it is. These taste better if they set at least a day so that the flavors meld together. So anyways, I got that. I also made a cheese ball, and this is just a package of cream cheese that I softened a little bit in the microwave, and then I mixed in some finely shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and I think I used a garlic and herb seasoning mix, and mixed some of that, like maybe a tablespoon in there, and then I diced up some red onion really fine and I mixed it in there as well. So anyways, that's that. And then I've already chopped up a bunch of veggies. I got a couple of bell peppers and cucumbers and radishes and cauliflower cut up, and I got some grapes that I'll need to wash in, and I'll cut those up in the littler stem pieces and everything. So anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna make my tray out of this, all of this, and I'll hopefully at least be able to show you the end result tomorrow, whether I film making it or not. So yeah, so let's take a look at the gifts I'm gonna be given. Okay, now to talk about gifting from my coupon stockpile. So with my family, it's, you know, it's just easier if I just take stuff in boxes like this and I just set it up and they just go through it whenever they want at their leisure and just pick out stuff. And that's what I've been doing for years, and they like to get stuff like that. So I just went through, pulled out a bunch of stuff, you know, razors, lotion, toothpaste, and soap, and give Dad these Thermacare. Oh, I got some body wash, some Hall's cough drop, little face mask. You know, most of the stuff came from Rite Aid. Whatever, you know, hairspray. I got some Robitussin in there. These Scunsy hair products, you know, ink pens. Okay, all kinds of stuff. I'll give everybody a bottle of Tide and do that. I got some Charmin for Dad. He needs it. I happen to know that he's running out, and I'm just going to give it to him for Christmas. Okay, not that I don't give Dad toilet paper all the time, right? And paper towels and Tide and whatever. Big bags of candy, so, you know, all this free stuff from Rite Aid, and, oh my gosh, I've been doing really good and haven't devoured all of that candy myself, so anyways, I'll just let them have whatever they want out of here, and, you know, and that's what it is. And then, this past year, I've been going to the pallet store where they have, like, Amazon returns. It's a pallet store because they buy it by the pallet load and then they stick it out for sale. So, like, I've been randomly, you know, I get random stuff there, and they have dollar days, and so I get a lot of stuff for $1. So I went through my stuff and I pulled out a whole bag full of things. These weren't $1, but I have found the phone cords for $1. But my dad needs a new phone cord, and I got 5 iPhone cords for $5, so I'm just going to give him that. And anyway, so, you know, let's see. These are like waterproof bags for your phone, some socks, I don't know, fidget spinners, and scrubbies, stink scrubbies, headbands, I don't know, socks, and I had all kinds of stuff in there. But anyways, I'm not going to wrap up the stuff. I guess I am being really lazy, because actually it's just a bunch of random things, and I don't know who might want it or might not want it, you know, kind of a thing. So I don't want to, like, that's kind of what I got into. If I give away stuff like this, it's like I let people pick what they want, because I just think that they'll, you know, that way I'm not giving a bunch of stuff that they don't want, and then they have to pretend like they like it. So, anyhow, yep, that's what I'm doing. And, for my family, I did take a bunch of stuff back at a box full of stuff at Thanksgiving, and so some of them already got a bunch of stuff, but anyways, they can have more if they need it. And yeah, my man and I were doing some more pet sitting this morning, and he's got another cat sitting job going on this week as well. So yeah, I guess he does a good job taking care of people's pets. So anyways, yeah, we went over last night and sat with the dogs and the cats, and then again this morning, and and everything. So yeah, that's about it. Other than I went to Rite Aid this morning. I made a video about that and everything. I did go shopping at Aldi's and got some of that food that I showed earlier. So all right, that's about it for now, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.